What if I told you that you could enjoy warm cinnamon sugar churro twists without deep frying, without traditional dough, and with a protein boost? These golden, crispy churro twists are made with cottage cheese, eggs, and almond flour. They're soft inside, lightly crisp outside, and coated in a delicious cinnamon monk fruit sweetener blend. If you're looking for a healthier dessert, a high-protein snack, or a sweet treat that won't leave you feeling weighed down, this recipe is for you. Let's make them together. 1 cup cottage cheese, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup almond flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, thus pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons monk fruit sweetener, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, First, add the cottage cheese to a blender. Now crack in the 2 eggs. Add the almond flour, baking powder, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. You can add 1 tablespoon of monk fruit sweetener if you want to, little sweetener. Blend everything until completely smooth. You want a thick batter with no visible cottage cheese curds remaining. The cottage cheese is the secret ingredient here. It creates a soft, tender texture while adding protein that traditional churros simply don't have. Once smooth, transfer the batter into a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, a zip-top bag with the corner cut off works perfectly. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Pipe long strips of batter onto the baking sheets. Now gently twist each strip into a spiral or classic churro twist shape. Don't worry about making them perfect. Homemade treats always have a little character. Continue until all the batter is used. This recipe should make approximately 12 twists. Place the tray into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes or until the twists become golden brown and firm on the outside. As they bake, your kitchen will begin filling with the warm aroma of vanilla and toasted almond flour. That's when you know something good is happening. While the twists are baking, prepare the coating. In a shallow bowl combine, 3 tablespoons monk fruit sweetener, 1 teaspoon cinnamons. Mix well until evenly combined. This gives you that classic churro flavor without using traditional sugar. The cinnamon adds warmth, while the monk fruit sweetener provides sweetness with fewer carbohydrates. Once baked, allow the churro twist to cool for just a few minutes. While still warm, roll each twist in the cinnamon monk fruit mixture. Make sure every side gets coated. The warmth helps the sweet cinnamon coating stick beautifully. This is the moment where they truly transform into churro twists. Golden, fragrant, sweet, and absolutely irresistible. Now, for the best part. Take one and break it open. Look at the texture. Soft and fluffy inside. Lightly crisp outside. The cinnamon coating gives a sweet crunch while the inside stays moist and tender. It's hard to believe this started with cottage cheese. Every bite delivers a satisfying combination of sweetness, warmth, and protein. Serve these warm with Greek yogurt dip, sugar-free chocolate drizzle, cream cheese frosting made with monk fruit sweetener, a hot cup of coffee, tea or unsweetened latte. Who knew cottage cheese could create something this delicious? These high-protein churro twists are proof that healthier desserts don't have to be boring. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Eat Clean Daily, and leave a comment letting us know what healthy recipe you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Stay healthy, stay inspired, and keep eating clean.